NBA prop picks for Monday, April 22nd. I'm Sniper from DFS Army. Hit the like button. I got two of my favorite plays on the board for you for prize picks as the NBA playoffs roll along. Let's go to work. All right, if you're not familiar, this is the DFS Army Proptimizer. This is what I think is the best tool on the market. You got prize pick lines, you got sportsbook odds, and projection model all in one place. Play number one, Wendell Carter Jr. more than 0.5 3-pointers made. Just need 1 3. As you see, the tool is updated live throughout the day, so make sure you get access down below. Join DFS Army with the code SNIPER20 for 20% off. You got Wendell Carter at minus 130 over on DraftKings, minus 137 over at Caesars. Solid odds value. See all the books we got connected right here. He's been over in 9 of the last 10 games, and our projection model has him at 0.78. Solid odds, solid projection, good form. Checks all the boxes. As I flip over to prize picks, you see where I'm going with play number 2, or if you notice the thumbnail, you'll see where I'm going with play number 2. But it's Wendell Carter Jr. that is play number 1 at more than 0.5 3-pointers made. Real quick, before we go to play number 2, if you want access to that tool for free for 2 months, use my code SNIPER, link down below on prize picks, underdogs, or sleeper. Make a first-time deposit. You get a match up to $100, $500 on sleeper, and 2 free months at DFS Army. Back full screen. Let's go and let's find play number 2. It is right below. It's Jalen Brunson more than 7 assists. Don't go anywhere yet, though. We're going to sneak peek into MLB and NHL today. It's great winners crossover season. Jalen Brunson, more than 7.5. It's pretty much a pick 'em at PointsBet, a little bit of juice to the under. Same thing at FanDuel. DraftKings and Caesars have the most juice as BetMGM, this minus 145 to 135 range. But at this odds, typically this line would be set at 7.5. The fact that I get a push on 7 gives us some good value here. We saw Philadelphia can keep the games close in this series. A lot of fun at the Garden. Expect another close game here. And Jalen Brunson, you would think it's who they're going to close down on, and he's going to have to distribute the ball. The projection model has him at 7.85. He's only actually busted this number once in the last 10 games. 6 wins, 3 pushes, 1 loss in the last 7. Had 7 in the first game of this series. So again, checks all the boxes. Back on over to prize picks. I can't search prize picks, Sniper. That's not going to work for you. Let's go find the Jalen Brunson prop here. It is one of the more popular props on the board, it looks like. I'll still roll with it. Good odds value that I get that push. I told you not to go anywhere, and here is why. Let's check on over. The sneak peek play yesterday did hit. It looks like the sneak peek today. I'm going to avoid some of these push props. Not a great form here. Oh, this was a wild first game here. We'll go and we'll call Nathan McKinnon. I believe the first game of the series finished 7-6. 4.5 shots on goal. A little bit of odds value here. I like him to get back on track. If you want straight up odds value, Tyler Seguin. I can never say that name. Should have said Shea Theodore. This would be another sneak peek play here. More than two shots on goal. If you're interested in the sneak peek for MLB, and again, this tool's got access to all these updated live throughout the day. Favorite play on the board right now, Ranger Suarez, less than 6 strikeouts as we got to pick him at 5.5. But let's put the bow on the 2 NBA plays we gave out this morning. It's Wendell Carter Jr., more than 0.5 3-pointers made, and Jalen Brunson, more than 7 assists. We locked that in. Got our play for the day. Hopefully you enjoyed the content. If you didn't already, hit that like button. I'll see you in the DFS Army Discord. You get access to the tool, more picks and plays. But for now, here's the daily reminder that whether or not you are a DFS Army member, you probably should be. But either way, good luck in those contests, and I will see you next time.